Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I want to start uploading more consistently for you guys. I've been a little busy, but I do want to start uploading more frequently. But anyways, if you want to learn how to make $30 to $50 instantly, and you can just make more with this. This is an app and a website, and I'm gonna let you guys know the inside scoop on what this is. So basically, Inbox Dollars. I don't know if you've heard it before or not, but definitely take advantage of using this. You can literally get money for free for doing stuff, and good money, not just a few dollars here and there. You can actually get pretty good money from this website. So you can either download it on an app, or you can like I said, just create an account on your computer on a website. I'll put the link in the description for you to check it out. But yeah, so basically, as you can see right here, you can literally make $15, $5, $50. These are offers that you can take. They're not surveys, but like if you sign up for these offers, maybe they're things you'll probably already try anyway. If you are interested, that Candy Club one looked interesting. If you just sign up and do a subscription, you'll literally get money back. So stuff like that is really cool. But if you're interested in the surveys, they have surveys available, lots of surveys that you can always do and stuff like that. There's lots of opportunities to make money on here. They always throw you opportunities to make money and everything, and there's lots of different things that you can do. You can do coupons, and there's all kinds of stuff in here. Like I said, if you wanted to already do stuff, you can click on, I'm trying to see what, okay, so this is the offers page, but I kind of wanted to show you the free offers. So there's literally offers that you can literally complete for free, and this is where you can literally make $30 to $50 instantly. I already did the math, and I don't know what they'll throw at you, but for what they gave me, I can literally make $30 right now just by completing all of these free offers. And once I do that, then I can just cash out the money. So if you need $30 like instantly, like you can just complete these offers and get some money, and you can cash out once you hit $30. So that's basically how it works and everything. But yeah, now I'm gonna let you in on a little secret that I have discovered. This is actually not sponsored. This is something that I have tried, and it has worked for me, and it has worked for a lot of other people. I have been getting messages of people sending me, telling me that this really works for them and that I've helped them out. So I just wanted to kind of let you guys in on this little program that I use sometimes in order to take some really big high-paying surveys. So basically, if you're tired of spending an hour on a survey only to make $5, if you're tired of spending all day only to make like $10, then here is a great opportunity for you. They have higher paid surveys, and it takes less, or they'll just pay you more for your time. So they have $100 paying surveys, $65 paying surveys, for $100, $50, $200, $75 for 15 minutes. So that's pretty great, and that money can really add up really fast. And this has been very, very helpful in times when I've been needing money, or just having extra money on the side. This is a great way to have a side income, a side hustle if you already have a job. A lot of people come to me when they already have a job, but they want to make money on the side online easily. So this is a great way. So there are people who show their little prizes and stuff like that, and it is a program that you have to get into. So I will put the link right in the description so that you can click on it and check it out. But yeah, here showing on the screen is just all the things that you can basically do, and all the things that come with this program. It's always updating, and it's always changing, so be aware of that. So, and they also give you a free $50 when you sign up for a limited time. So when you get paid for your first survey, really it's not a limited time, like really you can click this anytime and you'll still get $50 for your first survey. So yeah, don't worry if you're watching this late. But anyway, you can just join for $39. Now yes, it's $39, and you may be wondering, why would I pay money to make money? But this is just a simple $39. It doesn't rebill you, it's just a flat rate, and from here you can make more money. You know, you can get that $50, you already made your money back, return, you know, and then you can do surveys, a couple of surveys for like $75 or $100, and you've definitely made your money back, and it's definitely an investment. So if you're aware and smart of, you know, spending your money wisely for investment purchases, this would be for that. So you can just pay with your credit card or pay with PayPal, whatever works for you. And yeah, it's just as simple as that. So you know, you can easily get started today. Like I said, just click the link in the description and it'll take you right here. And you can start making money now. So I really recommend trying this. Like I said, this is not sponsored. This is just something that I, you know, really like to promote. So yeah, anyway, talk to you guys later.